Shout out to Bay for a gift, and I'm not talking about Clay, although he's still celebrating. I'm talking about eBay. That's right. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you, fam, for sending over the Nike Sacai and CLOT LDWaffle. I'm very, very appreciative. We'll go over that today. My Warriors items, y'all, they are starting to roll in. So as you can see, I actually went back and got the snapback hat, the 2015 championship hat. Okay, of course, that's when Adidas was sponsoring the league at that time. And I mean, this is like brand new. It's still got the tags and cardboard and everything inside of it, but I didn't have to pay the $30 retail price. I think I actually only had to pay $15, which is amazing. This isn't the first 2015 championship hat I have. If you guys remember, I picked this up and it was like on deep discount as well, I believe, on Fanatic. So I just like to collect items from my favorite rings. These are personally my two favorite. Okay, strength in numbers, alive then, alive 7 years later. But let's go over this Sacai real quick, because another one added to my collection, but I'm still holding out for that white nylon pair. We've seen this trend already done on the LDWaffle. That's right, a 3-part collaboration between Nike, Sacai, and this time CLOT, which is a streetwear brand owned by Edison Chen and Kevin Poon. The LDWaffle is a model I've come to love, similar to a lot of you, but this time it definitely takes on the Kiss of Death design with a colorway net, orange blaze, deep red, and green bean. The materials of the upper will consist of suede, leather, and then you also have this translucent toe box, but it's a little bit different. It does wrap around to the lateral and medial sides of the sneaker, but it's not that clear transparency we saw for the Air Max 1, and I much more prefer this. You have co-branding on the tongue for Sacai and CLOT. You will also have the double eye stays, double laces. You'll have the branding on the actual insole itself. And then we have the classic waffle outsole that is reminiscent of the actual waffle model made into this sneaker. Now, the double midsole on a Sacai LDWaffle is less pronounced than the Vapor Waffle, and a lot of people prefer this over that exaggerated midsole. However, I'm a fan of both. Now, as you see, I swapped out the double laces for just the deep red laces they give you extra with the shoe. Let me know your thoughts.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ, back with another video on Talks with TJ, and that's right, it's amazing, it's humbling, so grateful to work with eBay in the capacity that I do for certain campaigns, because as you guys know, I shop there relentlessly. A lot of the Warriors items that are coming in, they're from eBay. I have shorts on the way. I have 2 Rep the Bay shirts. I have this hat that you guys just saw. Okay, this hat. I have another pair of Ultra Boosts on the way from eBay. So alive and well, that relationship, it's strong. Okay, it is strong. It is very strong. And to show their appreciation for all of the women that were involved in the Women's Month campaign, which was in March, they actually just reached out and said, hey, we love to gift you a pair that you don't have in your collection right now. And that was the Nike Sacai CLOT LDWaffle. Now, I know this colorway wasn't as, I guess, hyped up, or people didn't fall over it a whole lot. I'm guessing a lot of that has to do with, one, the transparency within the toe box itself, but also just the colors, because it is this bright mix with more of this red and this orange. I don't know if people are really comfortable with styling that a whole lot, and then it has that pop of lime green in there, so people are probably like, yeah, I don't know if I want to put, how am I gonna add this into my weekly rotation? And I don't think it's a pair that you would add into your weekly rotation, but I think it's really exciting to have. And if you are someone like me where you still rock a lot of earth tones, whether it's like sand, beige, I think you can get away with olive with these, you can have fun with this pair. Now, this is not my first Sacai LDWaffle, of course. This is now my 3rd pair I have the black nylon pair, and this is still one of the cleanest drops to me. And I'm still holding out for the white nylon pair. To me, that's actually the cleanest pair that Sacai CLOT has ever put out. It is the white nylon pair, very similar to her Vapor Waffle. That's still the cleanest pair, at least to me, that she's put out. And this is a nice black pair that really is still, I think it's like pretty classy, but still all black. But I want that silver pair. I still do. And I just don't care for the price point of it, but I may eventually just go ahead, break down, get it. It could be on the list. You guys will vote for it in terms of resale, but this isn't anything new. This isn't like breaking. You guys have seen this shoe all over. And again, when it dropped, I think more people preferred the second colorway because it is a little bit more wearable. Always buy whatever it is that you like, but I will show you guys a quick styling here of how you can wear this. 3 fun ways, at least for myself. Let's actually start in the middle. You can keep it simple with this sneaker and let the shoes do all the talking. I have on a basic white V-neck top. It is summer, gotta stay cool. The distressed shorts from American Eagle in the lighter beige khaki colorway, and the fitted from Lids that was part of the pastry pack, which really accents the bright green bean or vault in the shoe. On the left, it still has a summer vibe with the distressed crop pants from American Eagle. Again, I love distressing on pants, shorts, doesn't matter, but it allows your ankles to breathe, which is a really good thing with 100-degree weather out. And I'm wearing an alpha forward top. It's really nice, soft, great material. And then I just threw on the LDWaffle CLOT and let it ride. On the right, my Nike WNBA bucket hat, my Fear of God Essentials track nylon half zip, and my Nike biker shorts to complete a layered look. Didn't need to be dragged out. I always appreciate everything Sacai CLOT puts out. The double everything, it's great, but as you guys can see, I kind of switched it up a little. I took out the double laces and went just with the alternate lace they provided of that deep red, and it's just a single lace, and I like it. If I want to switch it up, I don't intend to do that anytime soon because I don't feel like relacing the shoe. That's just where I am right now. So won't relace it anytime soon, but another Sacai LDWaffle added to the collection. It's just a great profile. You can wear it with pants. You can wear it with shorts. It doesn't matter. Dresses, skirts, just go crazy with it. Every and anybody, doesn't matter your style. And have fun with socks. Like, I think socks are a really awesome thing that you can play around with if any part of the shoe is transparent, and you guys were able to see that here with the styling, especially with like that double sock that Nike has put out, because I guess they got tired of us actually like doubling up our socks and having really sweaty feet. So you don't have to do that anymore. You can just go on over to Nike.com and get the actual double socks. I have like 3 pairs of them, so I think they are worth it for the aesthetic you may want. Thank you again, eBay, because you are Bay next to Clay and Chipotle. Ooh, bars. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get going. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.